What's up, everybody? Brick here, Brick House Garage. Got a quick brick tip for you. So most tools have a dust collection ejection port like this, and if you're trying to plumb it with PVC or whatever, they're not going to fit. They never fit. So they sell adapters. The adapters go from like $8 to $20 depending on what you're doing. This is a 1-inch elbow, and what I do is I just take my heat gun and cut it up to 600. I heat it up for a while till it gets real loose, and then once it gets loose, you're just going to put it on there and work on it until it goes on, and then just leave it there. Let it kind of dry and harden back to the PVC solid state that it is. And then same thing on your dust collection side. So this hose wouldn't have fitted into this port, so what I did was I just heated it and flared it, same thing as the other one, put it on there, and then they'll go right into that port. So there's your quick brick tip for the day. Hopefully you're having a great one. It's a nice sunny weekend here out in Texas, and we'll see you next time. Brick House Garage.